Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need admin rights to remove system files, so sign in or accept the UAC prompt. Once ready, press Start and type Disk Cleanup. Select the drive you want to scan, typically C. After the initial scan completes, make sure to click Clean Up System Files so Windows includes update and installer files in its calculations. This step expands what can be removed and often frees the most space. Wait for the second scan to finish before moving to the next selection stage. Now you'll see a list of file categories with estimated sizes and checkboxes. This is where you choose what to delete. You can click View Files on any category to verify contents before removing. Do that if you're unsure. Make selective choices. Emptying Recycle Bin is safe, but only remove downloads or installed program files if you're certain. Once done, click More Options to remove old system restore points and shadow copies, which can reclaim large amounts of space. Click OK and then delete files to begin the process. Disk cleanup may take several minutes depending on selected items. Once finished, reboot to let any pending operations complete and verify free space in Settings System Storage. If disk cleanup errors or items remain, run it again as an administrator or open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano followed by dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.